Hey everybody, how can I verify that a child tax credit is legitimate? How can I verify that a child tax credit is legitimate? That's a good question, and it's also something important to be able to do, especially if you're a bank or a credit union. As you may have heard, of course, the U.S. Department of the Treasury's Bureau of the Fiscal Service, they're the ones that are going to be processing advanced child tax credits, or CTC payments, and they're the ones that have been authorized to do so by the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021. Beginning in July, CTC payments will be issued with a payment date on the 15th of each month, unless the 15th falls on a weekend or a holiday. If the 15th does fall on a weekend or a holiday, the payment date will be adjusted to be the preceding business day, the day before that weekend or holiday. Now, how can you identify these as CTC payments? How are you going to know, hey, this is actually a child tax credit payment? If it is done via ACH, then within the ACH company batch header record, the 5 record, you will find the company name will be IRS Treasury 310. IRS Treasury 310. And the company entry description will be tilde child CTC. And the tilde represents a blank space. So it'll be tilde child CTC. Note the tilde symbol again indicates a blank space. If it is a check, then the Treasury check for a CTC payment will have identifying text in the memo field that states Advanced Child Tax Credit Payment. And it will have the payment month and year. So like, for example, July of 2021. As usual though, the checks will be signed by the Fiscal Service disbursing official. The check symbol for the CTC checks under the Act will be 40447, and it will be displayed in the microline. And there is a sample image of what the check will look like. Here, let me put that on screen for you. And if you do want to learn more about the checks themselves and about the security features and everything that you will be able to find in a U.S. Treasury check, you can go to this website. They have a PDF there of all the features that will be helpful for you to be on the lookout for to help you in identifying if it is a legitimate check. Again, here's that web address. It's available through fiscal.treasury.gov. It's a PDF document that just outlines and helps you to understand the different security features you'll find on Treasury checks. Another way to verify your tax is you can also make use of the Treasury Check verification tool. In fact, Fiscal Service encourages financial institutions to determine the status of a CTC and even other Treasury checks by using the Treasury Check verification system, the TCVS. You can do this with single individual queries by going to the website. Here, let me put that on screen for you too. That's the tcvs.fiscal.treasury.gov website. And if you are a bank or credit union or organization that wants to do bulk queries using an automated programming interface or an API, well, then you'll need to work with either your service provider, with your service provider and with Treasury directly to get that set up and get it configured. But it is possible to be able to do it in bulk, but you got to have that set up and configured. The Treasury Check verification system, it's an awesome tool because it helps you check the status of U.S. Treasury checks, not just the CTCs, but also the CTCs. And the TCVS, it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So it's always on, always there. Also, do note that even though this is a great tool, the Treasury Check verification system is unable to provide a guarantee that the check being presented is genuine and not maybe a copy or a counterfeit of a genuine check itself, or that it is even properly payable. All it verifies is that the check information entered matches what they have on record. I gotta also point something else out. If the information entered doesn't appear on the site, that doesn't necessarily or automatically mean you have a fraudulent item. It's a red flag, definitely, but it doesn't mean you have a fraudulent item. you would need to then contact Treasury directly for more assistance in those, I hope to be, rare situations. Now, that's because, or happens because, check information is not actually in real time, and it may not reflect that a check has already been presented for payment or is in process of being distributed or being paid, something like that. And if you do need more information about the Treasury Check verification system, here again, you can go to this website. It's tcvs.fiscal.treasury.gov, or you can contact Fiscal Services at 855-868-0151, option 1. You can also email them. Here's the email address. And you can also contact Fiscal Service for assistance with your ACH items as well as your checks. So that's ACH items coming from Treasury. Now, if you want to keep up what's happening in the world of payments, especially faster payments, then hit that subscribe button. For now, class dismissed.